Meet the new standard for GigE speed and convenience. The Genie Nano 5 GigE. This CMOS area scan camera is engineered for higher speeds than traditional interfaces, while keeping full GigE compatibility. In resolutions up to 45 megapixels, the Genie Nano 5 GigE is more than 5 times faster than basic GigE. And with Teledyne Imaging's exclusive Turbodrive technology, it delivers up to 10 GigE performance, but with lower power, smaller size, and longer cable support. And of course, without the cost of a frame grabber. With a flexible interface speed of 1, 2.5, and 5 gigabits, the camera is ready to scale up the performance you'll need tomorrow, as it gives you the latest sensor technology today. And if you are ready for 5 GigE performance, there's minimal impact on your existing network infrastructure. Like every Genie Nano camera, the 5 GigE is built to perform in harsh industrial environments and in countless imaging applications. With an unmatched feature set, Genie Nano 5 GigE cameras are the new standard for GigE speed.